A recurring question that gets popped to me is, what is my favorite food? The answer is very simple. Anything that my mom makes is my favorite. Well, she, in our homes, makes a lot of rice preparations. Today is the time to reverse the table and make something for her instead. I'm making roasted raw mango rice. And for this, it's going to be extremely memorable because I have Thin Kitchen as my cooking companion. And this also happens to be her favorite. On that note, this will be the Bombay chef, Varun Inamdar. Let's begin roasted raw mango rice. Well, just for the initiated, the taste and flavor of this recipe is going to be very typically South Indian. And for that, first things first is to roast a raw mango. And for this, I'm going to use my Masterclass non-stick baking tray. The Masterclass non-stick baking tray is made from heavy-duty commercial 1mm steel, and its double non-stick coating is suitable not just for baking, but also for general roasting and grilling. Let's begin with processing our raw mango. First things first, give it a couple of gashes like so. Then we apply a little bit of oil and place this on our Masterclass non-stick baking tray. Let's roast the raw mango at 220 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. The raw mango is getting roasted, and while that's happening, let's quickly move on to making our rice. And for that, I'm going to use my Masterclass wok. This Masterclass's induction-safe non-stick ceramic eco wok is finished with a high-performance ceramic non-stick coating. So in this case, you don't need to use as much oil to cook. Also, the heavy-duty riveted handle makes the wok easier to handle on the hob. It has a stainless steel iron base, so you can use it with a variety of heat sources, including induction. Let's begin with peanut oil. Before the oil begins to heat, let's add in chana dal, and along with this, urad dal. The whole idea is to brown this before adding the rest of the ingredients. Let's add in black mustard seeds. Once these begin to splutter, I'm going to add in dried red chilies. Let's add in cumin seeds, and along with this, lots of curry leaves. To this, let's add in parboiled rice. Rice which has been steamed almost 95%, and then you cool it down completely. A couple of more ingredients for color and flavor. American corn, which is steamed. Along with this, a touch of red chili powder, again for color and flavor. Lastly, salt as required. If you've added salt while parboiling the rice, ensure you use it with caution. A quick stir fry on high flame. A quick few tosses, and with this, your rice is almost done and ready. Well, I use the word almost for a simple reason, because our hero ingredient, if you remember, is still in the oven, and that is our roasted mango. Let's bring it out. Our roasted mango is done and ready. Let's transfer this on a plate, for which I'm using Joseph tongs. Well, much like a chef's knife, a well-designed tong is extremely important in a kitchen because this ensures precision, control, and that touch of elegance which is required in every culinary creation. These are made from stainless steel with silicone tips and are gently spring-loaded. And the silicone tips are ideal for use with non-stick cookware and are heat-resistant up to 270 degrees Celsius or 520 Fahrenheit. Once a roasted raw mango has come down to room temperature, we carefully remove the skin and scoop out the pulp. Scoop out as much pulp as you can. Time to add this pulp to the rice. Let's turn the flame on again. And on high flame, let's add in the pulp and a couple of tosses. Well, a couple more tosses without breaking the grains of rice, and with this, of course, the flame. With this, ladies and gentlemen, roasted raw mango rice is done and ready. Make this for breakfast, make this for lunch, make this for dinner. Go all out and help your mothers smile a little. Elevate your kitchen game with their top-notch international kitchenware available on thinkitchen.in. Do check out the link given in the description box below. And before I sign out, happy Mother's Day to all the wonderful, beautiful looking mothers across the globe. Bye for now.